Hello guys, welcome to the Google's Tech YouTube channel. Here I want to show some hidden forces of the permanent magnet. What are the various hidden forces? Today I want to show and explain. Okay, here look at this. Here this is the speaker magnet and provided on the soft bearing. Okay, here two neodymium round magnet is provided in the tube. Here look at this, what happens, it moves like a piston up and down. The small magnets moves up and down while rotating the speaker magnets. Now the two tubes are provided in the vertical position. Keep the tube in the horizontal position. Okay. Okay friends, how it is possible, now I want to explain one by one. Okay. Friends, look at the drawing. This is the speaker magnet splitted into four quadrants, that means four pieces, and attached with the opposite pole. Okay, that's why it is the opposite poles are south, and here this is the north pole. Look at this. Here this is the top view, and this is the front view, sectional front view. Here this side left side north pole top, and this side south pole top. Here when the magnet comes south pole, here the small magnet is south pole, so it repel and move upward. Okay, here this is the north pole, the small magnet is bottom south pole, so it attract downwards. So when it is come this side, it move upward and it comes downward. That's why the two small magnets move up and down. Here what happens, when it kept in the horizontal position, what the same forces act. Here this is the south pole, here the small magnet south pole, it repel. Here this is the north pole bottom, the small magnet is south pole, it attract. So it opposes the small magnet. Here it attack the small magnet. When this side come here, so the oppositely the magnet attack, this magnet was attracted and this magnet was reflected. So it moves upon horizontally left to right. So this is the secret of the magnets. Okay. Now I am going to explain next type of forces, hidden forces. So friends, look at this. Here another one hidden property or hidden force. Okay. Here there are two magnetic array. When you add the magnet, it acts as a powerful magnet. Here this is the north pole, both north pole and the bottom south pole. When small piece of neodymium magnet is provided inside the tube, it hanging at the middle of the positions. Why it happened? Here look at this. When you remove the magnet, it will go down. When it come to close, the neodymium magnets move upwards. Here when the magnet is inserted, here this is the two array. Here this box top edge is magnetic neutral axis, middle of the magnet. Okay, here and the magnet is inserted below the neutral axis. What happened? It move downward, and the magnet is put above the neutral axis, it move fastly upward. Okay. above the axis. Hello friends, look at this. When a screw is provided in the tube, when I inserted go to the two magnet array, what happens? The screw move upward. Why it happens? Here this is a metal screw. There is no magnets. Okay. Okay. Now I am going to explain the other properties. Now I am going to explain one by one what is the reason for the above properties. Okay. Here various hidden properties of the permanent magnet. Adding the rectangular magnets, what happens? It become as a single powerful magnet. Okay, first, due to the adding of the magnet, the neutral axis will be shifted and lies at the middle region. Here, when you add the magnet, the neutral axis also shifted. Okay. Here, when the small magnet is inserted with the opposite polarity, here this is the north and south pole powerful. Here I am insert the magnet south top at the bottom. That what happens? The magnet inserted into the tube with the opposite polarity, it lies at the center and aligning with the neutral axis of the array. Here the small magnet is inserted with the opposite polarity. It aligns the neutral axis, okay, due to attraction. Okay, when the magnet inserted with the same polarity, here north and north, above the neutral axis, the magnet move fastly out of the tube. When the magnet inserted below put the magnet below the neutral axis, the small magnet come down at very fast. Okay, it is due to the repulsive force. Okay, next I am going to explain. Here a small screw I inserted. What happens when the metal rod is inserted or screw is inserted of the magnet? The metal rod got magnetized by the one array and it is repelled by the another array. That's why the rod or screw move upward. Okay. Okay. Next. Okay. Here, why the plates move up and down? When the metal plate is provided at the top of one array, it got magnetized as a north pole. Okay. So, and when the other arrays come to close, it repels the metal plate and move upward. That's why that is the hidden properties of the various properties of the magnets. Okay. Now I am going to explain other hidden properties of the permanent magnet in the part 2. Okay. Thank you for watching the video.